Morning, guys.
Morning.
So we are just walking into Puerto now for a little bit of breakfast. So it's Sunday, and I think there's quite a lot going on today as well. I've read something that there's like a bike festival where all the locals, I don't know if it's a bike race or they go on the bikes, or so that's going on. There's like a wine festival tonight. So yeah, we're just gonna explore the town a little bit and show you around and show you the magic of Puerto today, and see what you think to it, really.
We always like Sundays down here because a lot of families come down, don't they?
Sundays are a really nice day, and especially like later on, just sit by the bar, have a nice drink, just watch the world go around. Like I say, like all the families are all together. It's really, really lovely. So yeah, and like I said, we'll just show you a bit around and see what you think.
Brekkie first because I'm Hank Marvin.
I am absolutely starving. So yeah, we'll catch you there.
See you soon.
Bye. We were just telling you about the bike festival, bike race, and we've just caught them. Can I say that? Look, it's all families, children.
All got their helmets on.
All got their helmets all ready to go. And then obviously this is going to be the what's it called? Like a transport now.
The leader, obviously, they follow him.
Yeah.
And you got police just closing roads as they go round. I think they don't go far, do they? Just up to the beach near Laura Park.
There's Pep Guardiola. Don't you look like Pep Guardiola?
I wonder what you were looking at there. You were like zoned out.
So yeah, they're all getting ready. Our Lucky's doing a selfie with them all. So he must be kind of like the organiser, maybe.
Yeah.
Getting ready to go. I love it. Like, I just love how like different things like this. It's so cool.
But yeah, we'll watch him go, and then we're definitely going
go get some breakfast.
Oh, he's taking a selfie there, look.
So cool. And they go right up to, I've seen the map, I think they go right up to Punta Brava. So right kind of near where your mum and dad's apartment. I don't know if
to Laura Park. And
oh, is that what it is?
I think so, yeah. But now we'll watch him go, and then we'll go for
get some breakfast. Yeah.
See you soon, guys.
Bye.
We've got these goodie packs on the back.
Yeah, it must be like maybe they put
water and stuff. Yeah.
Look at all the
little ones, just absolutely loving life.
I love it.
Quite a few of them, isn't there?
Yeah. And look, they're all coming. Look, he's on it already with me. Yeah, there on Ireland.
Oh, lad.
Jinx. Okay, so we have come. I found this place on Instagram, and the croissants looked absolutely amazing. So I was like, Lee, we need to come and try. So, Lee, you've gone for a plain croissant, haven't you?
Yeah.
You like your plain croissant. But this one is pistachio and raspberry. So I'm really excited to try that. Looks delicious. And then you've gone for a slice of cake as well, haven't you?
like a sponge cake with
Sponge
cream in it.
So yeah.
Trusty
Barraquito,
barraquito.
and I didn't want to get a smoothie, but the lady said they've not got oranges for the smoothie, so it's fine. We've gone for water instead.
Taste test.
Taste it. Here we go. A nice one for.
It's going posh for it, for camera.
Oh yeah, it's got to be posh.
No.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catch you soon, guys. Like a cheese tart cake.
Oh, it's like a really soft Nice.
Creamy.
Really nice.
It's like a cheesecake.
Is it? So good.
Yeah. Spongy top, cream, and then a harder base.
Nice. And I'm literally loving this. As you can see, it's nearly all gone. But pistachio and raspberry croissant is delicious. So I think we rate this, don't we, Lee? We'll be back. So we just had a lovely breakfast. And we're just coming for a wander, aren't we, Lee?
Yeah.
But I love it here in this little, one of the little squares in the church. So nice. It's nice just to go and have a drink there if you want to go for a drink. But it's just nice just to come and relax, isn't it? Like sit on the bench. Look, I mean, look at all the beautiful plants and flowers, and just the settings. It's just stunning.
Really nice church, and
yeah, it's beautiful.
there's a nice cafe through there called Ibano.
Yeah, we've been there a few times, haven't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's nice just to come and watch the world go by. And like you've got the lovely little square, you've got the little bars here as well. So we're gonna walk those croissants off, aren't we now?
No dress on there, Deborah.
New dress. New kind of summery dress from a little boutique near us. So yeah, it's nice and light because it's so warm today as well. So it's perfect for this weather.
Let's go and have a walk.
Yeah, go have a wander. I'm just coming out of hot.
What do you think to my new bosses, guys?
Lee's messing around
See,
with
yeah,
all
we're
this
in
stuff.
Fug
What
life.
even are they?
Fug life gases. Everyone needs a pair of Fug life
Oh,
glasses.
there we go. Fun life. YOLO. Get a microphone while you're at it as
Yeah,
well.
good luck.
Yeah, there you go.
So,
Okay, so we've just been moseying around Alley Hop, and we always like to get a little matching bracelet when we're on holiday. And the ones that we've been getting are like €1, aren't they? They're like falling
Yeah.
apart after a few weeks. So we got these ones.
like the seashell
So
in
Lee got the white and I got the pink.
Tenerife's favourite shop, Alliot, with a cow. Lots of quirky stuff in there.
So yeah, we've got little matching bracelets. I'll go with my outfit as well
I
today.
will. We're geeks, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. Love it.
Should we go and get a beer?
Oh yeah. I don't know, I've not had a beer yet, have I?
Yeah, cerveza pequeña.
Cerveza
There you
pequeña.
go. Know my Spanish.
Yeah, you know how to say beer, definitely.
Everyone does.
And la quinta, por favor.
See you soon.
So Lee absolutely loves this guy and he's so good. Look at him, just stands here all day like this, still as a statue. And then when somebody comes up to him,
Hey, muchas gracias. Venga, ¿quieres una foto? Venga, venga.
perfect.
Perfecto, muchas gracias.
Gracias. So a little pit stop.
Beer time.
The Cerveza Pequeña.
Our favourite spot, like Regatta.
Look how busy it is. It's just so nice to just sit and people watch.
Nice breeze coming off it.
Yeah, it's lovely. And they've still got all the decorations up from all the festivities as well. So yeah, we're going to enjoy and do a bit of people watching, aren't we, Lee?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
So we've just been having a giggle because that lady, Marisha there, She does caricatures.
She's done us before.
So she's done us before when we're just, so you just literally start having a drink and she'll just do a picture now like,
ready for big reveal. I can't wait for him to see yours. You ready? Drum roll. What do you reckon? It's definitely got some sort.
I think that looks quite good. Right, so Lee will
Got my big hooter on. Yeah, that's mine.
We'll swap the camera
Yeah,
out.
so ready for deposition.
And now I'm literally going to have a face transplant.
Look.
Do we think of it? Please tell me that I don't look like that.
It's all about the nose.
I think I've got a little nose.
Oh, God, you're
So, we've got some of these from last year up in your man cave. We'll have to show you when we get home. But yeah, I don't think I'm a fan. I think she's got the hat now.
She's got a hat back on. What's going on here?
What do we think? At least it's giving us a giggle.
Getting comments to score them out of 10.
So the guys have got a little Guinness.
Sit these on next table, don't we? So Steve's
Right in. One leg.
Cheers.
Not bad, Steve's in. That's Lee's in.
There's a decent Guinness too.
It's cute. It's a
Little glass.
little mini one. So yeah, enjoy. Hi guys, so we have just walked up now. We're going to have like a early tea, late lunch kind of thing. Late lunch, early tea. So we've been here before, which we really like it. So this is the group Compostelana. I probably said that not right, but anyways. And last time we came we had tapas, didn't we? But I think we're probably gonna have a meal, like just a meal today. Do you think?
No, I might still have tapa.
Do you want tapas?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, okay. So we will decide and we will show you what we're gonna have. But yeah, you've got nice views of the Lido. It's always a really popular place. So yeah, we can have some food now.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so food is here. We've gone for a little bit of tapas. So we've gone for the bruschetta without ham, just on its own. Chicken skewers with like a peanut dip, meatballs,
Lasagna.
and the canary and potatoes. So yeah,
Sauces.
and the two sauces. So yeah, nice little picky bits. Nothing too big, but just little bits we can just
Keep it
pick
going.
on. So yeah, let's dig in. So it's a bit loud, but we saw the Dorado stand was open and we're getting ready for tonight. So
DJ's on.
Pardon?
DJ's on, isn't he?
DJ's on. Everyone's living life by the harbour, so we thought we'd join them and have a Dorado. We're just enjoying our beer. Cheers. Dangling our feet over the harbour wall and just chilling and taking it all in.
Got a DJ over there, Dorado stand over there, all families just enjoying a Sunday afternoon.
What an amazing atmosphere.
Getting ready for tonight, aren't
Getting
we?
ready for tonight, yeah. We think there's something happening tonight. We're not sure if we're going to come down tonight, are we? Because I think
Just see how it goes. We're definitely going up to
Mirage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go have a cocktail up there. So, but yeah, just taking
There
it
we
all
go.
in. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi guys. So we are now heading out. We've had a little bit of a fiesta. Siesta?
Yeah.
Is it fiesta?
You've got to get in the spirit of Spain, haven't you?
Because the heat today has been so humid. So came home from tapas, which was lovely. And we had a little bit of a snooze, a little bit of a refresh, and now we are heading to the Atlantic Mirage, where we stayed in March. Because I think it's going to be a good sunset as well. So we're going for a cocktail. Last time when we went on a Sunday, there was a saxophonist as well. So fingers crossed, we'll see him. So yeah, so we're going to bring you with us and see what you think. So we'll catch you there, guys.
See you up there.
Bye.
Bye.
our vlog. Sorry we didn't really film much at the Atlantic Mirage. It was a lot louder than it was last time, wasn't it?
Other than the montage, and obviously YouTube will just bloody...
The DJ, it was a great DJ, but we just couldn't even hear ourselves. We couldn't have a proper conversation, so there's no way we would have been able to video for you guys. So yeah, we've put the little montages in. We've had a nice couple of cocktails, haven't we? So yeah, so that is our day done. So we hope you've enjoyed this little vlog, and we will see you tomorrow. Make sure you like, subscribe. I've had 2 cocktails, I'm a bit tipsy. And press the notification bell.
Yeah, press it. Come on, press it. Now we're nearly near 500 now, so we're pushing hard.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So thanks so much for watching. It was so nice being back at the Mirage as well, wasn't it? Yeah. It's just such a gorgeous hotel. I love it.
We did a vlog on it, staying in it, so I'll put it in above and just check it out, because if you're looking for a hotel to stay in this area, definitely.
And if you're wondering also, I think we might have said this in a few days ago when we came, but we've not really done an apartment tour or anything, just because this is someone's house, so we don't really want to do a vlog. But it's a beautiful apartment that we're staying in. We're really lucky.
Yeah, what I might do is I'll show you outside, and then show you the balcony with a pool view.
Do a few little views, but yeah, because it's somebody's apartment, we don't really want it, and we've not asked if we can, and we just don't really want to do a vlog on it. But yeah, the Mirage, if you're staying in Puerto De La Cruz, that's our favourite hotel to stay in, isn't it? Without a doubt. So yeah, night guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.